Hello friends, in this video we are going to see that what is double top and double bottom. Here you can see in this graph what is double top and this is double bottom. Let's see what is double top. Okay, if the graph line is written twice as shown in graph example, first yesterday close or today open, we are considering here the crude oil open or yesterday close is 3000, then it's going up to 3050, then it will come little bit down and it will start to go little bit high and then again it will come down. Here the double top forms. 3050 is the first point, 3035 is the second point. Maybe the second point will be 3040 or 3045 something, or even 3049 and also 3050. It will be like little bit closer, then it's called a double top. If the graph line is written twice as shown in graph example, first the graph starts from 3000, that is yesterday closing or open, then it moves up to 3050, then it comes down little bit lower and again it goes up to 3035. Here the double top forms. The right point to sell, that is entry point. The stop loss is the high 3050. The target point is 2990, maybe 2995 or 2980, whatever. You can see in the graph, if it forms twice double top, I marked it as something like stars, double top. Now let's see what is double bottom. It's similar to double top, but it's happening in opposite side. Here also I have marked as 2 star. These 2 stars are the confirming that it's a double bottom forms. First it starts from 3000, I have not mentioned, just imagine, then it coming down up to 2950, again it will go a little bit up and it will try to come down. Here I have mentioned 2965, this is a wrong one, actually it must be 2945 or even closer to 2950 or 2949, whatever, that it will start to move up 3010. Here whenever the double bottom forms, we have to buy here. The stop loss is again 2950, that is the lower one. The exit point is 3010. This is double bottom. If the graph line returns twice as shown in the graph example, first the graph starts from 3000, that is yesterday closing or open, then it moves up to 2950, then it moves up little bit higher and it try to come down 2945. Here I have mentioned wrongly, actually 2945 actually. Here the double bottom forms and the right point to buy here is 3035. The stop loss is 2950 and the target point is 3010. If you watch your graph, sometimes this will happen. You can utilize this one, because if you know this one, you know where we have to sell or buy. If it forms double top, then we have to sell at 3035. Stop loss is 3050 and the target is 2910 or 2990, whatever. For safer side, you can exit at 3000. In this double bottom, here 2945, 2965 I have mentioned, that's a wrong one. 2945 is the entry point, you have to buy here, then sell at 3010. The stop loss is 2950. This will work actually. If you have any doubt, just watch it 2 or 3 times whether it's happening or not. If it works, then try to utilize that one and make a profit. Thank you guys.